Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Got a minute? Let's make this. Here's something to sink all your teeth into. Secrets to making perfect quesadillas. All you need are flour tortillas and some cheese. Then you can get fancy and add some fixins. Tip number 1, get your skillet medium hot and just brush it lightly with oil. You don't want soggy quesadillas. Tip number 2, if you love veggies like red onion, chilies, and peppers, slice them all up, place them on a tray, and just sprinkle with salt to draw out the moisture. Then roast or grill until charred. You can add a little olive oil, but the drier the veggies, the better for non-greasy quesadillas. Tip number 3, don't stack your tortillas on top of each other. Just fill each one with cheese and fixins, then fold over. Make another one with cheese on the opposite side, fold it over, and then cook them that way. They're easier to get into the pan, easier to flip without losing any filling, and makes cutting a breeze. So that's the way to make super quesadillas, a Cinco de Mayo treat or an any-day simple snack. Have fun in the kitchen 1 minute at a time. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.